Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create subroutines to better organize your project. So first, let's create a new folder in application by right-clicking it and then selecting add folder. I'll name it subroutines. Then right-click the folder, add object, and then let's add a program organization unit, or POU for short. I'll name it direct startup. Make sure this option is enabled and select my desired programming language. Click on add. Now here let's do a simple logic. So for example, let's activate a motor. I'll create a button variable and a motor variable. Then add a contact and a coil, assign the variables. And it's done. Now, how do we call or run this subroutine in our project? We first have to call this subroutine, and we are going to do this in our main program, which is the user PRG. So let's go there. And here, let's add a new network. And to call our subroutine, let's go to the toolbox and under POUs, select our subroutine, direct startup. Click and drag to our new network. And here we can assign a true value to always execute it, or we can assign a variable to turn it on or off if we wish to execute it or not. In this case, I'll keep it on, so I'll assign true. And every time the control point reaches this line of code, it will execute this subroutine. Now let's test it by pressing the login button. The control is already running. Let's go to our subroutine and change the state of our variable. And there we go. That's how you create subroutines in Mastertool to better organize your project. And I see you on the next video.